Okay, let's talk about a big risk in construction projects and a modern way to fix it.
If you've ever felt that pit in your stomach, you are definitely not alone. It's a huge concern.
You know, it's so common, it's even got a name, and it all boils down to a broken payment system.
Yeah, the old way just relies way too much on trust alone, which creates risk for everybody involved.
But thankfully, things are changing. The industry's moving to a much smarter model. So what is it?
It's a pretty simple idea, really. Payments only go out when real, actual progress gets made on the job.
And what's really interesting is how this keeps everyone on the same page. It benefits both sides.
First off, you get total transparency. It cuts out the guesswork and helps prevent arguments before they start.
For contractors, this is huge. Predictable payments means steady progress, which means projects finish faster. Simple.
And for owners, this gives you incredible peace of mind. You're only paying for work you can actually see.
I mean, just look at the difference when you put them side by side. It's pretty clear, right? Okay, so let's break it down. Here's what a typical schedule might look like in the real world.
Okay, but what's the guarantee? Well, there's one more piece to this puzzle that makes it truly secure. And that piece is escrow. Think of it like a neutral referee, holding the money safely for everyone.
When you add escrow, that financial tension just melts away. It protects everybody's interest from start to finish. So the future isn't just about blind trust. It's about building that trust on a rock-solid structure.
It really comes down to this: choosing a system designed for success, not just hoping for the best.